Question 2 here, you're asked to basically enlarge that 3 by 5 times 5 into having a width of 16. You're comparing two similar objects, so you're just going to set up a proportion here. The smaller one is 5 over 3.5 equals the larger one, which is x over 16. Cross multiply, so you have 5 times 16 and 3.5x on the other side. You had 80. 5 times 16 is 80. The other side is 3.5. Divide by 3.5, you get 80 over 3.5, which does simplify to roughly around 22.86 inches. There you go. You have to set up the proportion and solve.